In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new Reports Writer to build a simple open work order report. The new Reports Writer comes with the Enterprise package and is accessible in the Reports menu on the left-hand side of your CMMS. Select the Reports Writer and click New to create the report. I'm going to call this Open Work Order Example. And I'm going to file it away with the rest of the Open Work Order reports. Click Save. Next, we're going to move to the Design tab to build out this report. The first step in designing this report is to choose a master table in the database to build the report around. We have over 100 possible database tables to work with. As this is an open work order report, I'm going to scroll down to the work order section and select the master work order table. If I expand out the work order table, I can see the list of column options I can add to this report. Simply drag over the columns you want in the report. So let's start with assets. Assigned users, work order code, date created, estimated hours. I want to add maintenance type to the report, but maintenance type is not available in the work order table. You'll notice the word link here. Maintenance type has its own table. The work order table references or links to the maintenance type table by a unique ID. So to add the maintenance type, I need to join to the maintenance table. Click Maintenance Type from the drop-down. I'm presented with three joining options: inner, left outer, and right outer. This is where some basic SQL experience will come in handy. If I choose inner join and someone creates a work order with no maintenance type, it won't show up in this report. So I'm going to select left outer join, which means if there's no maintenance type, it will still show up. Click OK. I can now add the maintenance type to this report. Open out the maintenance type table and drag over the maintenance type name. I'll rename the column header for maintenance type to make it more obvious. Click Save. Next, I have to create my filter. I only want open work orders in this report, so I need to set up a filter to only show what I need. So I click the filter icon. Let's create a simple filter. Scroll down to work order status. Choose is one of, as we have more than one. I'm going to select open, assigned, and work in progress. Click OK and my filter is complete. I can reorder my columns if necessary by simply dragging and dropping. I can also resize them. Work order code is usually 5 characters wide, so I can reduce the size of this column. I can add some runtime parameters to the report, and if you're not too sure what they are, you'll see them when you run any regular report in MA CMMS. In this closed work order example, you'll notice you're asked to enter a start date, an end date, and a priority when running the report. So let's create a parameter for asset category. Select the picker option and choose asset category from the drop-down. This means when we run this report, it will be by asset category, such as facilities, equipment, vehicles, etc. Next, we can use the group statement to group the data by one or more columns. Let's say we want to group all the work orders together by maintenance type. So click Add, select the maintenance type table, click the name column, click OK. My report will now group work orders together by the same maintenance type. Finally, the order by statement will let me sort the data by one or more columns. I'm going to set it to order by date created, so it shows the oldest work orders first. Simply select the date created from the work order table. You probably noticed this red line in the report. This tells me that some of my columns lie outside the available space for this page size, so I have to change my page size in the Options tab. In the Options tab, I'm going to change my page size from A4 to A3 landscape and click Save. Now, let's take a look and see what that looks like. Click Run, and you'll see here's the asset category parameter we set up in the report. I could probably resize a few columns to clean it up, And I have some available real estate here on the right hand side to add more columns if needed. And there you have it. For more information, check out the report building procedures in the FAQ section of the help desk. Alternatively, accelerate your reports writing experience by signing up for a dedicated one-on-one reports training session with one of our product experts. Simply call our training center to book today at +1 855 884 5619 extension 4.